Are veterans still being lied to about their VA loans? 100% yes, they are. And today I'm exposing some of those lies. I'm exposing some of the scams that people are saying about VA loans. I heard a lender the other day tell a buyer that VA sets interest rates, that they had to use a specific loan officer. And it's crazy to me that VAs are still being lied about. But first, if you're brand new to the channel, just go ahead and smash that subscribe button for more content just like this. It really helps out the channel. Thank you. Now, back to that story. I heard a buyer come to me and he said, man, my lender told me that VA sets my mortgage rate. Well, that is completely false. VA loans, or the Department of Veterans Affairs, don't set mortgage rates. The rates are actually set by your lender in the rate sheet. And a lot of times what can happen is the rates can be higher or junk fees are part of it. So know when you're shopping for a VA loan that the mortgage rate that you're being quoted does not necessarily mean that is the set rate, because again, VA does not set mortgage rate. So it's okay to shop, it's okay to compare VA loans because every lender is going to be different. Make sure you're comparing these things so that you can find the best financial situation for you. Now I'm going to expose the next lie. Have you ever been told that you have to use the builder's lender? It's a complete lie. And what this is called is actually called steering. It's when you steer yourself, a client, to a specific builder, to a specific lender, or to a specific agent. Typically, there is a deal worked out where they're getting some type of kickback or some type of monetary value by using one of the preferred partners. No builder, lender, or agent can make you use a specific party. You can use whoever you want, and it's up to you to be comfortable with who you're working with and how you choose them. So if you're being forced into something and you don't necessarily want to be in that relationship or work with that partner, you're 100% allowed to go pick who you want. Follow along. Next, we're gonna show you the trap that you can fall into to use a specific lender. Did you know some real estate agents will steer you to use bad lenders? Let me explain. There is some big VA lenders out there that will actually assign you a real estate agent. Here's what you don't know or not being told. Those real estate agents are actually paying a really big fee in order to get your referral. Now, these agents don't necessarily have your best interest at heart. They're just paying a fee in order to be notified that you're looking to purchase a home. Here's what you need to know. Again, following along with the builder lender, you do not have to work with who you do not want to work with. You are free to shop. You're free to work with whoever you please. If you're being told that you can't switch or you can't go to another lender, make sure that raises the red flag in your mind and you save this video so you know exactly what we're talking about and know that you can shop for and work with whoever you want. Because a lot of times also remember is these real estate agents are going to steer you back to the lender that referred them. So it's almost like this cycle that's being worked out. Just know that if you are being assigned a real estate agent, that you don't necessarily have to work with them. You can work with a third party that you choose. Now, lastly, I'm going to give you a simple test to see if the loan officer or the agent you're working with is truly on your side. Do they say this? If they tell you, you have to use my loan officer or you have to use my real estate agent, raise the red flag. If they put up a fight because you want to switch lenders or compare interest rates and they tell you that you can't, raise the red flag. If they act shady when you question rate and fees, raise the red flag. Bottom line, good people fight for you, bad ones fight you. So it's a simple test and a simple way that you can identify these scams that are happening or these lies that you're being told. You don't want to fall into this, especially when utilizing a VA loan and you're PCSing across the country or you're moving here and moving there. Just know that when you use your VA loan, it's very transparent and don't fall into the lies that you are being told. If you're a veteran and you're buying a home and you're unsure about the deal that you're getting, make sure you reach out and I'll be happy to review it.